Hey, it's Just So Trish, and today is an Ollie's haul. So this is an Ollie's homeschool haul that I just picked up. I'm so excited. I probably should have filmed in the store, but I kind of get just hyper focused in the book section. So of course, it's Just So Trish, 6 kids homeschooling it up in a tiny house. So you probably are going to hear them. I'm going to give you some of the reasonings behind what I picked up. There were so many good things. I had to practice a lot of self-control, and I put a lot of things away. And I put a lot of things. So this is an under $50 haul that I picked up here. All right, so first off, I picked up a little journal. I picked this up. It was only $2.99, and I picked it up for my daughter. I really like the fact that the edges were pink. Some of the girls at church have been doing these really nice sermon note Bible journal ones. So I wanted to give her a brand new one in pink because that's kind of her color. It's red, but so that she could also do that too. I thought that was a great practice. This was the only thing I went to the store for. Not the only thing I bought, but the only thing I intended to go to the store for. So I picked up these forest drawing books, Drawing Made Easy. They were $2.99. And it shows how some basic sketching and drawing. Doing the Good and the Beautiful Language Arts has opened up that interest. I wouldn't say desire, but that interest on drawing. So I picked up Forest Animals. This one is by, if I can find any of this stuff, my kids are screaming, on Amazon. I'll try and link it below, but there's no guarantees. So this is Drawing Made Easy, Forest Animals. And go, if you have an Ollie's, go look. And then there's also another one for Florals and Botanicals that walks you through the drawing process. And there's actually a whole series. I was looking for like beautiful landscapes, lifelike animals, drawing dragons, colored pencils, and flowers and colored pencils. So they had a couple of them there. One of the other ones I picked up was water painting step by step, which this one's kind of more my desire than theirs probably. And it shows like the step through on doing the watercolors. So I've never seen a book like this before, so I thought it was cool. When I was searching through, I found this really cool coloring book. Now I'm not going to use it as a coloring book. You can see it shows you what it looked like, and then it gives you the sketch to draw. Okay, honestly, I'm going to rip these pages out for the artwork. Look at those. And I plan to use them to frame in the new house. I love this style of work. Hey, will you go see if that's Amazon or UPS? Aren't those gorgeous? So I absolutely love, it's called Posh Coloring Book, but I'm going to just steal the illustrations. I love the illustrations. I better take care of this. Roughhousing every time. All right, I picked up the Spectrum reading books. So they had 4th and 3rd grade. They had 2nd and 1st. These were only $2, which I thought were good. I don't know if you're used. And I just want to do them for comprehension and reading assessments. They're just, you read on one side, and then there's vocabulary, reading skills, and study skills. So they had a 3rd grade and a 4th grade, and I think this was published in 2007, so they're about 10 years old, which makes sense because I haven't seen this cover for a while at all. So I picked up both of those for $2 a piece. Did I tell you that all this artwork was $2? Okay. I love these. They had a bunch of them. I might go back and get them, but I just felt like I had so much things in my buggy. I need to take some out. These are these little books by Highlights called All About Fall. So they have winter, spring, summer. And it comes with an app included. It was 99 cents. I don't know why I took them out. I just was scared. I was buying so much stuff. I was like, I should take them out. So they have their free app download. They have a table of contents. So they have puzzles, reading, activities, and brain play. And they have poems. And, you know, what colors do you see in fall? Why do weathers change? Are some of them. They have reading. They have hidden objects. That's some of my favorites with highlights. But a really nice little book. So I love these. I'm going to go back and get the rest of them. They were really good. 99 cents. Why did I take that out? All right. I have bought these before, and they were much more than this. $2 for an extreme ... people in places. So I thought this would be something fun to have the kids do. And I almost bought each one their own, but I felt like that would have been a waste. I'm just going to allow them. We're going to take the pages out, and maybe we'll put it in portfolio or whatever. And they'll just do it until it's gone. But that was $2. All right, this is my favorite. I almost went and picked up every one of them. This is the Pop Out and Paint Farm Animals. You gonna come help me? Okay, you want to come help me do this? Say hi. Yeah. All right, so the Pop Out and Paint has all of like the farm animals, and it's great because it kind of lays out how to make, but you can make some great diagrams with dioramas. I can't speak today. Dioramas, and the idea is you have the main part, and then you would paint them in order to make them look more lifelike. Yeah. So they had a couple of these books, but for $2, I thought it was really great. Like, see, that's a Nubian goat. You have the cows and the pigs, and you see how pink it was. So you would dress it up. So it's cows, pigs, goats, sheep, chickens, donkey, duck, barn cat, border collie, and then it did give you like how to. It does show you like what colors to paint them. It gives that instruction. And it even like adding string to the tail, and how to do the highlights and the lowlights and the tails on the pig. But I like that it also gave you plans to make your own barn. Yes?
Can I have a food, Dad?
Oh, will you go get her a popsicle from the deep freezer outside?
A veggie one?
Yeah, the veggie one. So I thought this was a really neat thing to have. I probably should get a second one. But that's always how it goes. I picked up for review multiplication and division activity sheets. I thought this was just a nice, fun way to practice. They're typically $4 by School Zone at Walmart, and they were priced $1.29. And it's just practice. I'm going to give these to my older kids today just to kind of brush up and review. And I like that it has like little games to it. You got to open it. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up more than I needed. I'm probably going to stick a couple at the library. Our library does a free, not a library, our post office. Here, let me cut it for you. There. Our post office does a free library, a little mini free library inside. And so what I like to do, we don't have a lot of we don't really have any homeschoolers out here. It's just us. But I like to put curriculum out there because I notice it goes really quickly. I think they use them for tutoring. So these are $1. That's a Dollar General tag. These are $1. They were all 4 of them were 59 cents. See that? Oh no, I don't think it's coming through. We're 59 cents. And it's just an addition, subtraction pages. It's, you know, one of these like little dollar store type books. But I thought that would be a lot of fun to change it up a little bit from the workbooks. Just kind of practice on the go. All right. We have these 2 books. We're down almost to my last few. Orville picked up. Orville had to have a book. So he picked out The Legends of the Lost Treasure. That was $2, and it's a Thomas the Train sticker book. And then Leona Here, there she is. Leona picked out a dry and erase book. So it was $2.99, and it has the pen right there. I didn't even look. I was like, whatever, you want it, go ahead and get it. So it's like fun little activities in here that's dry and erase. So this was a good one, and I didn't mind. So it seems to have a lot of the different, like Toy Story and all the different shows. So it's a good mix up of it. All right, I was really excited. I tried to find another one because if I could have found another one, I would have done a giveaway with it. This is Science and Space. So we're doing the Claritas Cycle 2 memory work, and that has to do with astronomy and earth science. So I thought this would be a great one. So they call it Color and Learn, but I was really just impressed with, like, here's about gears, and they have pictures. And one of the things we picked up from CC is about just drawing pictures. So I felt like the quality, don't put your popsicle in my book. I feel like with the quality of the pictures, even though they're meant to be colored, this makes a great book to copy from to practice drawing things. So this one's plastic, cameras, telephones, radios, toilets, washing machines, and then you have space. And I liked the space one because I like the picture, the sketch quality. I've been looking online to find different images that would make great to trace or to copy, and I felt like this did a really good job of it. So hopefully I can find this one really a great book right here. I'm really excited about adding this too. And even though it's a coloring one, it's 200 pages with fascinating facts and coloring. It's probably going to be a reference book. They're not coloring it. They can trace it, but not color. All right. Then my most exciting part, the box kits. So this is, again, School Zone Learning. This one's making fractions, so it's a game for 1 to 4 players. And this was $4. And I think it's normally $15. $4 for this. And I can do a more in-depth. I'm gonna run out of time on my thing, but
it says it was $15.
Yep, it was $15. So you have different pieces, but I can do a more in-depth review if you want. I have to be careful not to run out of space on my phone today. And then I picked up the spelling words. So even though it says spelling words, to me it looked more like phonetic reading review. So you have the spelling words. I'm going to give you a quick tour. Kind of a workbook, but I think that could be easily photocopied. I have to see how it plays. You get really nice. They're nice hard cardboard pieces. And then maybe it's a lot like bingo. So you have these like playing boards and other cards and stuff. But again, I'll go through that. So I love Ollie's. I have to be careful about going. I can end up with a lot of stuff. And I don't really have the space to do the stuff. But it's a great place to go figure out and find new things. I try to keep it limited because there's a lot of good deals in there. A lot of good deals. And there's a lot of good books. And it can be pretty good. So give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you liked in on my haul. What do you have? Any recommendations? And I will see you soon. And if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. And I will talk to you later, my lovelies. Bye.